Good evening, respected ma'am. I am Manish Sharma from CSC. Today my topic is Cauchy's mean value theorem. The contents we are explaining in this is introduction, definition of Cauchy's mean value theorem, conditions for Cauchy's mean value theorem, question, solution, and conclusion. Definition of Cauchy's mean value theorem. Cauchy's mean value theorem states that for two functions f of x and g of x that satisfies the given conditions, there exist at a point C in a comma b such that f of b minus f of a g dash of c is equal to g of b minus g of a f dash of c. The theorem provides a connection between the values of the functions and their derivatives at different points in the interval a comma b. It allows us to find a specific value of c that makes the equation hold true. Can move for Cauchy's mean value theorem and finding c for f of x is equal to root x, g of x is equal to 1 by root x in a comma b. Cauchy's mean value theorem is a fundamental result in calculus that relates the derivative of the function to its average rate of change. It states that if two functions f of x and g of x are continuous on the closed interval a comma b and differentiable on the open interval a comma b, then there exists at point C in a comma b such that f of b minus f of a g dash of c is equal to g of b minus g of a f dash of c. In this presentation, we will verify Cauchy's mean value theorem for f of x root x and g of x is equal to 1 by root x on the interval of g comma b and determine the value of c. Can move for conditions for Cauchy's mean value theorem. For Cauchy's mean value theorem to hold, the functions f of x and g of x must be continuous and on the closed interval a comma b. Additionally, f of x and g of x must be differentiable on the open interval a comma b. These conditions ensure that the functions are well behaved and that the derivatives exist within the given interval. Can move for question. Verify Cauchy's mean value theorem and find C of Cauchy's mean value theorem for f of x is equal to root x, g of x is equal to 1 by root x in a comma b. Solution. Given functions are f of x is equal to root x, g of x is equal to 1 by root x. F of x and g of x are polynomials in x, so hence fg are continuous in a comma b. To verify second condition, f dash of x is equal to f dash of root x. The f derivative is dy by dx root x. dy by dx x power 1 by 2. The root we taken as 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 x power 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. It does not belongs to 0. G dash of x is equal to 1 by root x. 1 by x power 1 by 2 is equal to x power minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 x power minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 divided by 2 x power minus 3 by 2 does not belongs to 0. So f of x g of x are derivable in a comma b and g dash x does not belongs to 0, x belongs to a comma b such that by Cauchy's mean value theorem then there exists a point c belongs to a comma b. Either f dash of c divided by g dash of c is equal to f dash of b f of b minus f of a divided by g of b minus g of a is given as first equation. Here f dash c is equal to 1 divided by 2 root c. G of dash c is equal to 1 minus 1 divided by c power minus 3 by 2. F of b is equal to root b. F of a is equal to root a. G of b is equal to 1 by root b. G of a is equal to 1 by root a. Substituting these values in first equation, get 1 by 2 root c divided by minus 1 by 2c power minus 3 by 2 is equal to root b minus root a 1 by root b minus 1 by root a. Here 2 to cancel, we get minus c power minus 1 by 2 c power 3 by 2 is equal to root b minus root a divided by root a minus root b divided by root ab. We get minus c minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. C is common here. Minus cancel here. Root b minus root a divided by minus root b minus root a divided by root a b. Here root b minus root a minus root b minus root a here cancel. We get c power 2 by 2 is equal to 1 by 1 divided by root ab. C dash is equal to root ab. C is equal to root ab belongs to ab. C belongs to a comma b. Since ab are greater than 0, root ab is a geometrical mean that lies in between a and b. C belongs to a comma b. This condition thus verifies the Cauchy's mean value theorem. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have verified Cauchy's mean value theorem for the functions f of x is equal to root x and g of x is equal to 1 by root x in the interval a comma b. By evaluating the derivatives, applying the theorem and simplifying the equation, we have found that a is equal to 1 plus b minus root b represents the point c where the theorem holds. Cauchy's mean value theorem provides a powerful tool for analyzing the behavior of functions and having wide applications in calculus. Thank you, ma'am.